Welcome to our comprehensive manufacturing company that specializes in logistics and warehousing products. We are excited to introduce our plastic sleeve box, a versatile packaging solution that is designed to meet all of your transport and storage needs. The plastic sleeve box consists of 3 parts: the bottom pallet, honeycomb sheet, and lid. Assembly of the plastic sleeve box is quick and easy. The honeycomb sheet is unfolded and assembled into the bottom pallet, and then the lid is placed on top and locked in place. There is a small door on the hoarding, which allows for easy access to our products, and is equipped with hook and loop for easy opening and closing. Locks are installed on the lid and bottom pallet to ensure firmness, keeping your products secure and safe. To make the plastic sleeve box uniquely yours, we offer customized logo printing services. There are a variety of lid and pallet options, along with plastic sleeve box sizes to choose from, ensuring that you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Contact us today to learn more about our products and services.